Looking to breathe new life into your HP ZBOOK Firefly 15G7 or G8 laptop? This replacement Palmrest with a backlit keyboard might be just what you need. This uppercase assembly is designed specifically for these models, ensuring a proper fit and finish. The Palmrest arrives brand new, sporting a sleek gray color that should seamlessly blend with the original aesthetic of your ZBOOK. The keyboard itself is black, creating a visually appealing contrast. It features the standard US layout, so there's no need to adjust to an unfamiliar key arrangement. The inclusion of backlighting is a definite plus, allowing for comfortable typing in dimly lit environments. It's important to note that this particular model does not include a touchpad. If your original touchpad is still in good working order, you can likely transfer it over to this new Palmrest. However, if your touchpad is also damaged, you'll need to source a replacement separately. The part numbers associated with this replacement are M07494-001 and M35847-001. It's always a good idea to double-check these numbers against your original part to ensure compatibility. The manufacturer, ZBOOK, specializes in laptop replacement parts. Before ordering, carefully compare the product images with your original Palmrest. Pay close attention to the layout of the keyboard, the placement of screw holes, and any other distinguishing features. This simple step can save you the hassle of returning an incompatible part. This replacement Palmrest offers a cost-effective way to restore the appearance and functionality of your HP ZBOOK Firefly 15G7 or G8. If your Palmrest is cracked, scratched, or the keyboard is malfunctioning, this could be a worthwhile investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.